Hi traders. So in today's video I am handsome anyway, and we left the Pacific Ocean, and we are just exploring new territories, and we came to the widest territory of all, and that is the Amazon rainforest. And there are birds that have the same color as my shirt, and it's just fucking interesting. There are many plants and just mosquitoes and butterflies, and just small and just rivers all across, and it is so interesting. So we will just explore the Amazon rainforest and go deeper and deeper to the wild jungle, and of course I will hunt some jaguars and some panthers and some wild animals that I'm sure will try to kill us. So in today's video I want to talk about a really serious topic, and that is why you are always just failing in trading, and what are the most important factors why you just can't be profitable in the long term. Because I know most of you just can be profitable in the short term, and you are scalpers, and you are heroes for one day or maybe 1 week, and you tell all your friends that you are just killing it, and you are the best, and you are a god. You think that you are as good as my modest self, but it just can't be true. You have to learn and practice, and don't give up after 1 day or 1 week when you have one single losing trade. And the most important factor is impatience, because you have to be fucking patient if you want to be a trader. It is, you have a human mind, and human mind is an action-based mind, so you always want to do things and just hunt, just run, just kill and do these things. But when you are a trader, you kinda have to be like a robot, because if you are fully a human when you are a trader, it will, you will just fail, because your human mind want to do things, and you have to be intelligent and do things beside trading. Because if trading is your whole life, you will just fail after a while, because you will just burn out, and you will end up a scalper. So you just can't do that, because and I tell you this because so many of you write to me every single day that you want a scalper EAs, because you can't wait for the even for the day traders or medium term EAs to make a new trade over and over again, and just do it, and and take profit and lose. But and someone just wrote me that he wanted an EA that only makes profit and never loses. But that is not how trading works. Trading works in a way that you have to have a statistical advantage over the market from your overall trading performance. Not you can't lose ever. That is a weak human behavior, because your losing trades are just as important as your profitable trades. And in my opinion, they are actually more important than your profitable trades, because when you are losing, you are actually learning. When you take profit, you know what you do. You feel like a god, and you just you just come to the Amazon rainforest to talk to a camera. So don't do that. Be a normal person, and so yeah. This is my key advice for this topic. And the second one is to never break your own rules, because if you if you if you trade in a way that you break your own rules, you are like a fish and not a fisherman. So always be the fisherman, my friend. Now, this was today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and just be wild. Ciao.